Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your WRX key fob. You do not need any tools. You just need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. First thing you want to do is press the silver button and remove your mechanical key. Now take that mechanical key and you're going to want to insert it right here, and that will pry out this back half, just like that. Now you want to be careful because this silver piece right here can very easily get dislodged. And if it does, that's kind of how it goes back in. So go ahead and remove your circuit board. And you can take out your dead battery right here. Use your mechanical key and just pry right there. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing upward right here, and you can test it right here. Make sure you got your red light. This goes back in that orientation. You want to make sure all your buttons are lined up. And then the trickiest part is getting that spring back into that little nub right there, so that all closes like it should. Okay, put your key back in, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.